people, the place where most of the workers and the people are staying in Qatar. They are they are gathering the place. They are meeting with their friends and family in the place. This is the ground where the most of the people come here and meet with their friends and family. This is a very popular and very famous place in Qatar for the workers. This is called the ground of Grand Mall. The place is located in Sana'a. You see a lot of people are around here. Just come to Grand Mall just in front of me. There's a few steps to get enter of the malls to buy something. I just want to see the things. If there is any special, maybe I'll pick the things here. And especially I come every Friday to buy the goods for daily needs. You know, these groceries and juices, fruits, or anything I like, I can have that. There is no any specific things to buy here. You can see the people around here just start coming. It's very early morning now, just 10 past 9 the present time here, but still the people, you can see the groups of people just to working towards in the ground. They will be entering the markets, and different markets are you can see the people's are sitting on the ground, and they are having a nice company there with their friends, and they're having the chanachur, muri, cigarettes, tea, coffee, bottle leaf, pan. Even the pan is not allowed to having in Qatar. I don't know how the things come, and many of them I saw they are selling, and they are offering there. When you are walking in a street, they will offer you to have a pan. Thank you. That food is not preparing by maintaining the proper food hygiene. That is the reason why even you are taking a vegetable and whatever you are taking it, or raw veg, salad, or whatever, if it is not maintaining the proper food hygiene, and the persons doesn't have a knowledge that how to prepare the food by maintaining the proper food hygiene, that is an issue. Yeah, you are just taking with food, you are taking a good food, and at the same time you are taking bad bacteria inside, and that bacteria go inside in your intestinals. We have two intestinal, the small intestinal and the big intestinal, what we can call belly, stomach, or however you call that, inside, and the bad bacteria go there and make the things mess up there. Even though we are having a very healthy food, looks very healthy food, but it is not healthy because the food was not prepared by maintaining the proper food hygiene. That is what I just want to focus that. I just want to say the things is the key point of my topic is the food should be prepared by maintaining the proper food hygiene here. So that is the very vital things here. And okay, you can see the road. I have many videos shooting in this spot here. Even I'm not a content creator or anything. Just I like to shoot the video when I am walking in the street. That is one kind of my hobbies. Don't take it otherwise. And I like to talk about the foods, and I have a page where I plan to selling the healthy foods or the organic foods or the foods homemade food is cooked by maintaining the proper food hygiene. If you people are interested to be having such kind of food for your good health, or you are interested to, then you can try of my food there. And my website is www.https foodandroot.com. That is my website. You'll find on the description below, and that is all. Hi dear friends, hope all of you are fine. I'm fine here by the grace of Allah. You can see the behind of me, the road is tiny and is almost endless. You know how far is the road is going to, is a few kilometers here. And if I show you that this is the Y, this is the tiny Y. Mostly I like to walk around here, but I just come from duty after I finished my 12 hours night shift, and I'm going towards the shopping malls to buy something. Today is Friday. Even I don't have day off. That is the reason why I just come with my uniform and I'm just exploring the area. This is my one kind of hobby, to be walking around and to be walk at morning. This to keep to keep myself updated. And one very special things I'll be showing you today. These the trees. Every trees has a dove nest. Every tree has a dove nest. That is the very fascinating things is happening here. That is the reason. That is the reason because the people walk around and they are not disturbing the birds here. The you can see that everyone is totally prohibited to kill the birds or to catch the birds here by the law. So the birds are very close with the humans here. Even they are not afraid, just like in our country, is the when a bird see a humans coming, then the birds just fly. It's no more staying in the tree. It's not like this. Is the scenario is totally is different, not like our country. You can see the birds also can guess the people are staying here. They are very polite and they will not kill them. That's why just very short. How can I show you? Is the nest is very close, even just over the head. It's not a very high. In the high positions, there are many nests you'll begin. Okay, come to the point. That was the things there. So if I like to say about the food, the food we are taking, should be prepared by maintaining proper food hygiene. That is the very essential. That is the very privileged things to be focused on, to be keep in mind always. The food is making by maintaining the proper hygiene. That was very essential. Is a must. Is mandatory. Is should be fulfill the criteria of that. Otherwise, we don't know the food we are taking is a good food or bad food. The healthy food can affect our body, but the bad food can affect our body. Effect and effect. What is the difference between the effect and effect? Hope all of you knows that. So that is very important to keep maintaining the proper personal hygiene as well as the food hygiene is the very because if we don't have a knowledge about the personal hygiene and about the food hygiene, what can happen? This just with unknowing, we are just having a very like a bad bacteria intaking inside our body without knowing it. Even we don't know how to wash the hand and how much temperature, how much centigrade temperature water can kill the bad bacteria we are having in our hand. That is the most common things that we have to make sure. We have to have the healthy food diet. That is only can help for our body. Okay, I am following doctors, I following the dietitians, even I eat vegetables and I don't having any meats or something, then why still I am not recovering from the disease? I have a stomach problem and all those things, gastrics. That is the one of the major reason is the